So I'm reviewing this camera, the doorbell camera. So here, I installed it up here, and you press a button, and I have this guy that also chimes at the same time. I just leave it outside so we can hear it. Let's do that again. And also I'm getting a notification on my phone as well, and it's being activated as a motion capture camera as well. And now there's a alarm function where you pull this out, the alarm is going to go off because of this guy here. Now, so just in case this camera got stolen, once you pull it, the alarm goes off, and the camera also started recording who the person was. So overall, it's working really well, and it's about the size of my hand, petite, and the width is like this. So it's a very compact camera. It looks good and it works well. This guy here, he has also different setting for the chime. For example, so that's the default one, which I like the best. Alright, so that's the review. Overall, it's a nice camera, and I like it.